Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then click on Connections. And after scrolling down, select Printing. Now just tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to remember to disable this one first. You can do that by tapping on this blue switcher at the top. Then go back, click on Add Service, and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!